In this tutorial, we're going to talk about creating form documents. Form documents can be used in quite a variety of SmartPest forms, places such as letters or bid proposals, where you can select from the drop-down list to populate the proposal details section and the authorization to proceed section. And contracts, where you can select the contract language based upon the type of service being offered. We could go to an existing document, which we might have in something like Word or a PDF that we're going to copy. Just open that document, select all the text, copy it, and then just paste that over in the new document. But first we got to create a blank spot for it. So we'll just call it a non-disclosure document. And put the cursor in here and paste the text in here. So now we have a document that's all ready to use in other areas. If we want to format this, we can format under the View menu. We can turn on the formatting bar here and use like the center alignment. And let's say I want to make that bold. We can make it bold, and you can certainly change the fonts or the just change this to Arial. And so there we go. Now another item that makes it easier to edit, so let's say you have this form that you've been producing in Word. If you change these lines to just X's or capital X's, then all you will have to do when you want to go fill this out in your form is to replace those X's. So just add these back in. Keep your punctuation in there. So what happens then, if you left mouse click, double click on it, it'll just highlight those areas and you can type right into those areas. So if I wanted to type my name, you see it just goes right in. Basically all we got to do is put those X's in there, and that's just like having an editable area there with just a couple clicks. And that's also very easy to do when you're using this with a mobile device like the Apple iPad. So that's pretty much it. That's how you create your new documents. Many of our other documents have a feature built in to where you can add them over here automatically. So let's take a quick look at that. I'm going to go back and use this copied document that we had originally. Again, I'm going to copy it. But this time I'm going to go to the actual form. So I paste my text in here. And then I give it a name. So I just come up here and call it my new agreement. And then I'll come over here, and on forms that support this, like letters and contracts and things, you just simply hit the Add Contractor Preferences. You wish to save this for reuse, and you just hit Continue, and it is already saved, and you don't even have to go back to the setup area. So there you have it, form letters, and as you can see, this is very flexible. It allows you to create a large number of customizable documents used throughout SmartPest. So in the next section, we'll talk about how we can set up renewals.